This HTML document creates a visually engaging oak leaves Christmas tree animation by combining CSS-driven styling and transitions with JavaScript-controlled positioning and motion to tell a small visual story, beginning with a full-screen body that uses Flexbox to center content and a bright radial gradient background blending blue and yellow tones to create a festive, surreal atmosphere while hiding overflow so animated elements stay within view. The main container scene spans the entire viewport and acts as the stage for all animated elements, while the tree itself is constructed entirely from multiple leaf elements generated dynamically with JavaScript, where each leaf is styled to resemble an organic oak leaf shape using gradients, rounded borders, opacity, and a small pseudo-element stem, and smooth CSS transitions are defined on position and rotation so that any change to left, top, or transform values animates naturally over time. Initially, 120 leaves are created and scattered randomly across the screen with random rotations, giving the impression of chaos. Then after a short delay, JavaScript calculates target positions that form a triangular Christmas tree silhouette by grouping leaves into horizontal levels that widen toward the bottom, using simple math to control vertical spacing and horizontal spread around the screen's center. And when the leaf positions are updated, they smoothly glide into place thanks to the predefined CSS transitions, visually assembling themselves into a tree shape. Once the leafy tree canopy is formed, a trunk element positioned at the bottom center fades in using a delayed trunk fade keyframe animation, completing the illusion of a tree grown from scattered leaves. Additional seasonal motion is layered on top with a Santa chariot animation, implemented as an absolutely positioned image that continuously travels from left to right across the screen using the move right keyframes. Adding narrative movement and depth to the scene, the code also introduces falling leaves as a foreground effect, where separate leaf elements use transparent PNG images and dual CSS keyframe animations fall to move downward while rotating, and sway to drift side to side, creating a looping cascade of leaves that enhances realism and motion. JavaScript continuously generates, animates, removes, and recreates these falling leaves with randomized size, speed, delay, and position so the effect feels natural and endless. Overall, the project demonstrates how a Christmas tree can be symbolically represented through motion and transformation rather than static imagery, using CSS transitions for elegant morphing, keyframe animations for continuous environmental effects, and JavaScript for procedural layout and timing, resulting in a creative holiday animation where scattered oak leaves organize themselves into a festive tree while Santa passes by and leaves gently fall, blending nature, celebration, and animation into a single cohesive visual experience. Thanks for watching. I hope you will support my channel.